Okay. Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to iAlmas Syncdog PowerQuiz. I'm Yumna Khan, Business Development Representative iAlmas, and I'm so happy to see you here at today's interactive session. Actually, we all excited to have you with us today. Thank you for taking the time to join. We have actually a dynamic and engaging session planned, centered around one of the most innovative mobile security technologies in the industry today, Syncdog Trusted Mobile Workspace. And to make things even more fun, stay tuned because we'll be running a live Kahoot quiz at the end of today's session. And yes, we do have an Apple Watch ready for the winner. So get ready, stay sharp, and enjoy the experience. Before we begin the quiz, let me just take you a moment to introduce who we are at iAlmas. All right, here we are. iAlmas is a regional distributor, but we see ourselves as a catalyst for cybersecurity innovation across the Middle East and Africa, or MEA. Our core mission is to be the most trusted and value-driven distribution partner in the region. We operate in a pure channel model. We partner directly with groundbreaking technology vendors and empower a network of local resellers who then deliver these solutions to the end customers. We're committed to this model. It's how we ensure deep localized expertise and support. So everything is asking what's our secrets and how we deliver unmatched value actually goes down to a few key principles. First of all, instant, unprecedented value. Every technology in our portfolio is chosen for one reason. It solves often unsolvable problem, delivering a clear return on investment from day one. Secondly, we don't just sell to our reseller, we integrate with them. We become an extension of their team. We become their outsourced pre-sales, marketing, training, and business development arm. And third, we're experts at tapping into untapped markets. Our digital marketing exceptional ability is so effective. Actually, our competitors have nicknamed us the Lords of Digitals. So now let's look at the groundbreaking categories we operate in. Uh, in AI security and governance, we provide the tools for responsible AI adoption, ensuring models are secure, compliant, and protected against real-time attacks. In offensive security, we've revolutionized pen testing, but what? Guess what? With AI-powered tools that delivers in hours what takes a human teams weeks for internal infrastructure, external domains, and AI models. And what about defensive security? You're wondering. We chose a different path, actually. We offer technologies that are truly next generation, technologies that work when all other technologies fail, technologies that bring value to the end customer from the first moment they use them, and technologies that are ahead of the wave yet have a great impact. For example, we offer first detection-less endpoint protection that stops malware without needing to detect anything. We have the first technology that can detect and block someone trying to take a photo of a classified or sensitive document. This is more than just a digital watermarking technology. Uh, Digital watermarks actually, uh, as usual, deter you from taking the photo. We actually stop you from taking that photo. We introduced visual cryptography that makes sensitive information displayed on internal portals visible to the human eye but invisible to cameras, screenshots, electronics. Lastly, we've reinvented mobile security with containerization, making complex mobile device management obsolete, and finally, making bring your own device, the policy, both secure and private. You don't need to control the device anymore, and that's our core mission in Syncdog that we will talk and deep dive in our session for today. Um, and also, we have a last thing that we brought military-grade quantum-resistant encryption to replace vulnerable legacy VPNs. Some use cases include secure messenger app, like to replace WhatsApp. We have also Armored OS operating system, protected phones, and a unique approach to industrial operation technologies security. We also have a unique initiative, our core phrase, the MSSP of MSSPs. We act as the complete backbone for our resellers' security services, providing the full SOC platform, manpower, and expertise they need to offer world-class managed services. And for now, let me introduce our featured technology and the focus of today's bar quiz, Syncdog. We all hear question usually what it say that how can organizations securely enable the bring your own device policy without innovating employee privacy? Uh, each one of us has wondered before. So we have the answer actually. For years, enterprise mobility has presented organizations with a difficult choice. Do we provide corporate devices for complete control? Or do we allow BYOD or bring your own device policy for flexibility and cost savings, but sacrifice security and violate privacy? Traditional mobile device management solutions force IT teams to manage the entire device. That gives IT the control they need, but it often crosses into employee privacy, creating tension, resistance, and compliance issues under modern privacy regulations. Syncdog completely changes this model. Instead of controlling the entire device, Syncdog uses a zero trust container based architecture. Uh, and the key concept here is containerization. Syncdog creates a FIPS 140 to 2 certified AES 256 encrypted container on the mobile device called the Trusted Mobile Workspace. Think of it as a secure digital briefcase dedicated only to work-related applications and corporate data. Inside this workspace, everything remains protected and isolated. Corporate email, contacts, secure browser, Microsoft Teams, file managers, and corporate applications. And your security controls, such as preventing screenshots or restricting copy paste, apply for only inside this workspace. All of these are available. The moment the user exists in the container, they return to their completely private personal environment. As an IT administrator, you have zero visibility into personal photos, personal apps, messages, browsing activity. This is what makes Syncdog one of the most powerful and privacy respecting bring your own device solutions available today. And it gets even smarter. The Trusted Mobile Workspace includes built-in mobile threat defense. So, if malware compromises the personal side of the device, The workspace can intelligently lock itself, restrict access, or even self-wipe corporate data, all without touching the employee's personal information. So with Syncdog, organizations finally achieve both absolute corporate security and absolute employee privacy. That's why Syncdog is becoming a defining solution for the modern mobile-first enterprise. So, before we jump in, let me quickly explain the flow of our today's pub quiz. First, we'll have like 5 to 10 minutes question and answer session where you can ask anything regarding the material you study at the chat. After that, we'll begin a 10-question Kahoot quiz. Please make sure that you download the Kahoot app on your smartphone or use the app to answer questions by selecting the color of the answer or the correct answer actually, or you can just use your computer browser and just type kahoot.it. I will type it in the chat. It's kahoot.it. Okay, and then I will share a pin of our quiz. You can type the pin and then join us and participate with the quiz. Okay, but I'll share the pin when we start the quiz part or session. Now, we're opening the floor for the question and answers. Please feel free to ask questions about Syncdog or anything in the study material or anything that needs clarification from your side. Go ahead. Tell us what would you like to explore more.
We'll be happy to
Okay.
take your questions, guys, if you have any questions. And
Yes.
as you all know, the power quizzes are where we share study material and then you prepare yourself and then you join us for the quiz and you win a prize. Just to remind you, you can only win twice with power quizzes and once with a webinar. Today, I just got a confirmation from one of my colleagues related to the last webinar that yes, we will not be taking the first winner. So we'll be taking the second winner or the second scorer because you can only win once. So with power quizzes, you can win twice. With webinars, you can only win once. And it is, we hope it's a good educational experience. We wanted, instead of spoon feeding people, we wanted you to do your research, study the material we shared, and then join this fun experience with the Power Quiz Kahoot exam. It's just an online examination tool. You can call it even a game tool. It's just where you go through questions and answers. And if you have any questions about the Syncdog technology, please ask us in the chat or in the Q&A panel. I'll be happy to take them. As my colleague said, Syncdog is transforming how you manage mobile devices. So instead of having your corporate or your IT department controlling your mobile phone, controlling your USB memory stick, your personal phone, your screenshots, everything around your device, this is old, this is dead, doesn't work anymore. Now you have your personal mobile phone and you have applications that connect to the organization's workload. And that's why you need to separate them. So what Syncdog did is a total separation using containers. So there is a container that will be provisioned with a click to the user, and that container has all the ready business applications, 95%, 90% of whatever you need, your calendar app, your email app, your communication app, your dialer, your camera, your contacts, your briefcase for Excel and Word and Excel, everything else, all contained, isolated from the personal side. And as you probably know, the containerization is a process level isolation, application level isolation. It's not at the kernel level. It's not like Xcedium. It's only at the process level. but it is total isolation at the process level with the threat capabilities, threat detection capabilities. It comes encrypted already, which checks your compliance requirements because some like governments. Yes, sir, Mr. Alwaida, if you raise your hand. If you have any questions, please add it to the chat. So it does have total isolation. And just to give you an idea what I mean by total isolation, if you open the camera app inside the container, take a photo, then close the container. Now you're back to your personal phone. Go to the galleries or gallery, go to the photos. You will not find that photo. It is totally isolated. Again, go back to the container, the work container, use the contacts app and add my name as a contact person there. Close the container, go to your personal side of the mobile phone, go to your contacts, you will not find me there. It's total isolation at the process or application level, which is genius. Why? Many people tried it, by the way, previously. Even Citrix, if you remember the Citrix MDM, they tried and they introduced containers, but they were empty containers where you have to go and wrap applications, do management layer, security layer. We give you a ready application, ready container with 95% of the applications that you need for business. Examples, you can even it can come up with your own private app store so that you can deliver applications to your users within that container on demand. Private app store. It comes with lots of capabilities. It's the next generation MDM, or I like to call it the true enterprise mobility security. This is what containerization does in our mobile devices and enterprise mobility. So Muhammad does, yeah, it does support both Android and iOS. Yes, it does support Android and iOS. The same trusted mobile workspace, which is the next generation mobile, MDM. It does support iOS and it does support Android phones. The Syncdog has the old style MDM. I like to call it traditional MDM, and that one supports everything. Also supports it supports Windows, supports laptops, Windows laptops. It supports iOS and Android, but that's old style where you take control of the whole device. That's old style. But with the trusted mobile workspace, we do iOS and Android, and with the next generation capabilities. We do not support Linux. I know some people started asking about Linux, but not yet. Hopefully soon, but we support the traditional mobile devices. Yeah. How is it different from company portal app? Company portal is a portal, is a web service. It's XSS. It's a web service that can be accessed from anywhere. It's not contained. It's not isolated. It's not encrypted. Anyone can create a company portal, but have it on mobile devices contained within and isolated, including a secure browser, by the way, I forgot that. So the container has a secure browser in it, which is a huge thing. After COVID, secure browsing became a huge thing. So including a secure browser, which you can run some portal services using that browser. It's up to you, to the organization. But the difference is that we give you mobile applications that you can deliver. The App Store is where your employees can download a mobile app and install it on their Android, and iOS, exactly like the App Store from Apple or the Google Play Store from Android. But now you have your own private App Store, which is not unique to us. Many other MDM companies does it. They do it, but our thing is we have that containerization, and you cannot imagine how much time it saves in deployment because the container is ready. You don't have to do like Intune, for example, where you have to wrap the Microsoft Intune, where you have to wrap up applications and take them application by application. And if that application doesn't support the necessary APIs for application wrapping, that's a mess and takes forever to finish. You can finish if you have the infrastructure ready, you can finish the deployment in 2 days and 2 sessions probably, and you're ready to start deploying policies. And policies, you can take as long as you want. What do you want to prevent? What do you want to allow? And all of that, that's up to the organization, which may take as long as they want. There are different ways where you can define policies and control them, and they're just switches. You toggle them, and they're easy. We have a YouTube demonstration of the technology on our YouTube channel, which you can go back to also to see it. I probably can add it here somewhere.
Yes, I will check the link.
Yes. Check if we can find it for everyone. Yeah, I found it. I'll share it with I'll share it with everyone in the chat. So this is a demo of the technology itself, the next generation capability, the trusted mobile workspace. And as you see how easy it is just to deploy and run. Back to you, Imna. Thank you.
Okay, so like my colleague said, it's a quick way, or it's a quick process to deploy for the bring your own device policy-based technologies. Now, all right, everyone, your questions were great. It's now time for the Kahoot Power Quiz. Go ahead and grab your phone, open the Kahoot app, or you can just jump into the kahoot.it as I type it in the chat, if that's easier for you. I'll give you a few seconds to get settled in and ready. Okay, the quiz is built entirely around the study materials we shared with you earlier. Everything from Syncdog's containerization architecture to BYOD protection, privacy controls, and enterprise mobility capabilities. So if you're reviewed the material, you're already in a strong position. And also, if not, no worries. This is your chance to test your instincts, your speed, and your cybersecurity knowledge, as we discussed today. Okay, let's settle your Kahoot.it or the Kahoot app. Remember, speed matters, accuracy matters, and Kahoot loves fast answers. Okay, I'll share the my screen for the Kahoot pin. Just a few seconds. Okay. Okay, the game pin is 580 3522. I will copy it and type it in the chat. Okay, thank you, Soriana. Okay, let's start joining. Or you can just scan the QR code here to join. It's also an easier way to join or participate. Come on, guys. Let everyone participate with us.
I guess you can also hover the mouse on the game pin number. It will allow you to copy it as a link and then you can paste it as a link so that if you click on it, yeah,
Okay.
then you paste it as a link so that people can click on it. Just Control V and paste in the chat. They will get it as a hyperlink so that they can easily join
Okay.
from there.
It will be more easier, right?
Yeah, I think it'll be easier for them.
That's the link. Just click on it. We want you to join with us. Okay, we'll just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Maybe we will have more participants. Okay. We will start within 1 minute. Okay, we'll have two more participants. Okay, then we will make just additional 1 minute because we've got two participants. Okay, come on, guys. Okay, then we will start the Kahoot quiz for now. Okay. The first question says, what is the primary security method Syncdog uses to separate work data from personal data on a device? Is it full device encryption, containerization, application wrapping, virtual private network, or VPN? Type in your answers. Okay. You've got about 20 seconds. Fast answers mean higher points. Let's go. I think we don't have more answers. No, we have one additional answers too. Okay. All right. It's all in the containerization technology. Question number 2. What happens to work-related photo taken within the Syncdog container according to the demo? Is they are automatically uploaded to IT for review, or they're deleted after 24 hours? They are only stored securely inside the container, or they are served to the device personal camera roll. Think fast. Answers is now. Okay, we have 10 seconds. Okay,
One
there
more
are,
thing also, Yumna, you can,
okay.
if you click on the numbers below where it says 16, you can
Yes, we
show
can
the
have,
scores. Yeah, the
yes, the
scores. Yeah,
scores.
yeah, yeah.
Good job, IQT, like always. Okay, question number 3. Which of these applications is not shown as pre-integrated secure app within the Syncdog TMW? Is it a secure file manager, a personal social media app, Microsoft Teams, a secure browser. Don't overthink and trust your instincts. Okay. I think there are just two participants who didn't answer yet. It's very easy. Okay. We need one more participants to answer. Okay, it's a personal social media app. We don't have the social media app is not shown as pre-integrated secure app within the Syncdog. Okay, good job, IQT. The second score is for Rish, and the third is for Jabir. Good job, Jabir. Now for our question. If company needs to protect its data because an employee's phone is lost, what can an admin do using a Syncdog console? Is it remotely shut down the entire phone, or remotely wipe into only the Syncdog container, remotely change the employee's personal Apple ID, or remotely take a picture with the phone's cameras? Okay. Remember, always speed matters. Speed matters, and quick answers get the most points. Okay. 4, 3, 2, and yes, it remotely wipe into the Syncdog container. Okay. Good job, IQT. Question number 5. What feature prevents user from taking screenshots of sensitive information inside the Syncdog container? Is it watermarking or screen blurring? Is it not possible even to prevent screenshots or a dedicated no screenshot policy? You've got this. Lock in your answers. I see more answer. Most of you answer this in the first 10 seconds. Okay. We have 5 seconds remaining. 2, 1, and yes, a dedicated no screenshot policy. Let's see who scores. Good job, Rish. And we have at the second scorer is Jabir. Good job, Jabir, also and Rish. And IQT for sure, as always. The sixth question. How does the demo show users accessing the secure corporate approved applications through a dedicated Syncdog app catalog inside the container, through a special folder on the home screen, by using their phone's default app store, or by applications that are pushed to the phone's home screen automatically? Okay. Stay focused. Speed matters. Okay. We have 5 seconds remaining. Okay, through a dedicated Syncdog app catalog. Rish, you are on fire. You're the top scorer till now. Okay, question number 7. When copying text from a secured work email to a personal app, what does the demo show happening? The copy paste function is blocked, or is the function works seamlessly, or the text is automatically encrypted, or a warning is shown but the action is allowed? This one or this question separates the sharp players from the rest. You can answer now. Okay. Only 10, 9. Okay, only remaining 4 seconds. And yes, it's the copy paste function is blocked. Good job, Rish and Jabir and Divya and IQT and Suryana. You all answered, most of you answered correctly. Okay, for question number 8, beyond email and browser, what other type of secure connectivity does the demo highlight within the TMW? Is it a dedicated secure music streaming service, access to a virtual desktop infrastructure, VDI, secure access to cloud storage like OneDrive, or a secure connection to corporate Wi-Fi only? Short timer make you move and make you gain more points. And yes, it's secure access to cloud storage like OneDrive. Still have the same score. Okay, now the question number 9. What is key benefit for the employee in this BYOD model as presented in the demo? They get a free phone from their company, they get faster speed on their phone, they have fewer apps to manage, or their personal data and privacy remain completely separate. Come on, Speed Warriors, tap on your answers. Okay, their personal data and privacy remain completely separated. We have the same scars here. And for the last question, the demo emphasizes that Syncdog is particularly ideal for which kind of corporate policy? Company-owned business only, Kobo. Corporate-owned, personally, enable Co. Bring your own device, BYOD, or choose your own device, CYOD. The last question, your answers will make much results. Give it everything you've got. And it's very easy. Type in your answers. Okay, it's bring your own device. Right, we've talked a lot about it. Okay, let's see the top scorers. Okay, this the leadership. Number 3, Divya. Good job, Divya. Number 2, we have Jabber, and the top scorer is Rish. Congratulations, Rish. You did a great job. Excellent work, everyone. And now for the our team will reach you out shortly to arrange prize delivery, Rish. Thank you all once again for your participation, your energy, and your participation through today's session. We'll also be sharing a follow-up report after the webinar. And if you like to learn more about Syncdog of any cybersecurity technologies within the iAlmas portfolio, our team is always here to support you. Feel free to contact us. Have a fantastic day, and we look forward to seeing you at the next iAlmas Power Quizzes and webinars.
Thank you so much, Yumna. And Rish, I just left Yumna's email in the chat. So please, in case we have a list of all of your contacts, but in case we cannot reach you, please contact her. We're happy to see you winning and see all the team members. Jabber has won with us. IQT also won with us. Um, in the last period, we had some challenges with delivery, so might be it was a bit slow, but I think now things are much better. So the delivery will be much faster. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Awesome job. Looking forward to seeing you again.
Okay. We were very happy for your participation and see you
Yes.
next times.
See you next time. We have in a couple of days, we have another leadership session with Exedium, with the founder of Exedium. This is a session that you don't want to miss for sure. And also in a couple of weeks, we have a huge webinar that also you don't want to miss. Anyways, my colleagues will reach out to you. Looking forward to seeing you again. Thank you so much.